Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Betterment to set withdrawal rules, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Betterment for your withdrawal rules, log into your Betterment account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings tab on the main dashboard. In the Settings menu, look for the Withdrawals option and click on it. This will take you to the section dedicated to establishing withdrawal rules. You will see an option to set up your withdrawal preferences. Select your preferred withdrawal frequency from the available options, such as monthly or quarterly. Next, enter the amount you would like to withdraw during each interval. If you want to set different amounts for different time periods, ensure you specify each of them accordingly. After entering your withdrawal amounts, review your selected intervals to ensure they fit your financial needs. Then, you will need to set a minimum balance requirement for your account. This helps to avoid depleting your investment unnecessarily. Make sure to read through any additional prompts or information provided by Betterment regarding withdrawals. Once you have configured all the details to your satisfaction, save your changes. A confirmation message should appear, indicating that your withdrawal rules have been successfully set up. Lastly, it's a good practice to review these settings periodically to ensure they still align with your financial goals. Your withdrawal rules are now configured, ready for your future needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.